Welcome back to Beware the Fake Truth. Here, we unravel mysteries, debunk myths, and dive into the unimaginable. If you've ever wondered about the limits of science and nature, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a mind-blowing scenario. What if the Earth stopped spinning? It sounds like science fiction, but the science behind it is very real, and the consequences are nothing short of catastrophic. Hold on tight, because this journey into the unthinkable is about to get intense. Section 1. The world stands still, the initial impact. Let's start with the moment Earth stops spinning. Picture this. Everything not bolted down, oceans, air, and yes, even you, would keep moving at Earth's rotational speed. At the equator, that's more than 1,600 kilometers per hour. The result? Winds strong enough to flatten entire cities. Tsunamis the size of skyscrapers would crash onto coastlines. Planes in flight would suddenly fall from the sky as the atmosphere adjusts to this cataclysmic change. It's not just chaos, it's a planet-wide reset that reshapes everything we know about Earth. Section 2. Gravity's new rules, a shift in the balance. Without rotation, gravity takes over in unexpected ways. Right now, the centrifugal force caused by Earth's spin slightly counteracts gravity at the equator. When the spin stops, this force disappears. What happens next? Gravity feels stronger, especially near the equator, making everything feel heavier. Oceans, which are currently bulging at the equator due to rotation, would rush toward the poles, flooding vast areas of land. Entire countries near the poles could vanish underwater, while equatorial regions might be left bone dry. Section 3. Perpetual day and night, a divided world. And what about the sun? Without rotation, one side of the planet would face eternal daylight, while the other side would be trapped in perpetual night. The sunlit side would become unbearably hot, turning deserts into fiery wastelands and boiling away bodies of water. Meanwhile, the dark side would plummet into freezing temperatures, becoming an icy, lifeless expanse. In between these extremes, there would be a narrow, twilight zone, where survival might be possible, but even that would be a harsh existence. Section 4. The science of spin. Why Earth rotates. To understand why all this would happen, let's take a step back. Earth's spin began about 4.5 billion years ago, during its formation. Collisions with massive objects and the pull of gravity set our planet spinning, and that rotation has been steady ever since. This spin is responsible for so much of what we take for granted: the 24-hour day, weather patterns, and even the distribution of life across the globe. Without it, Earth becomes an alien world, unrecognizable from the one we call home. Section 5. Life in a static world. Adapting or perishing. But let's say some of us survived the initial chaos. What then? Humanity would need to adapt quickly. Survival might mean migrating to the twilight zone between perpetual day and night, where conditions are less extreme. We'd need to develop advanced technology to regulate temperature, grow food, and protect against the harsh elements. But even then, life would be a constant struggle. Resources would be scarce, and entire ecosystems would collapse, making survival a monumental challenge. Section 6. Lessons from the imaginary. A deeper understanding of Earth. So, why does this matter? This hypothetical scenario isn't just about fear. It's about understanding the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. The rotation of our planet is a fundamental force, influencing everything from gravity to weather patterns. Imagining its absence helps us appreciate the systems we often overlook. It reminds us that the natural world is both fragile and incredibly resilient. Section 7. Survival or extinction? Humanity's final test. Would we survive, or would this be humanity's end? History shows that humans are incredibly resourceful, adapting to countless challenges. But this scenario tests the very limits of our resilience. It's a stark reminder of how dependent we are on Earth's natural rhythms, and how vital it is to protect them. Conclusion. Thankfully, the Earth's spin isn't stopping anytime soon. But exploring this scenario helps us appreciate the forces that shape our world. So next time you see a sunrise or feel a gentle breeze, remember, it's all thanks to a spinning planet, working in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed this journey into the unimaginable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here at Beware the Fake Truth, we dive into the mysteries of science, nature, and the universe. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.